clothes we wear have a secret. They are incredibly thirsty. From cotton fields to factory floors, vast amounts of water are needed to grow, process, and dye our fabrics. In fact, the textile industry is one of the largest consumers of water worldwide. Imagine filling up millions of Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's how much water is used every year just to make our clothes. This massive water consumption puts a huge strain on our planet's precious resources. Many regions where textile production is concentrated already face water scarcity, and the industry's thirst only exacerbates the problem. But it's not just the quantity of water used that's a concern. Traditional dyeing methods, which rely heavily on water, also generate significant pollution. The wastewater from these processes is often laden with harmful chemicals and dyes, posing a serious threat to aquatic ecosystems and human health. Clearly, the way we color our clothes needs a makeover, one that's gentler on both our planet and its people. Picture a factory where fabrics are dipped into giant vats of brightly colored water. This is the traditional dyeing process, and while it might seem straightforward, it comes with a hefty environmental price tag. Firstly, these dyeing vats require enormous volumes of water to achieve the desired color saturation. This water, once pristine, becomes contaminated with dyes, chemicals, and fibers, transforming into wastewater. Discharging this wastewater without proper treatment can have devastating consequences. The toxic chemicals can poison aquatic life, disrupt ecosystems, and contaminate drinking water sources. Moreover, many of the dyes used in traditional dyeing are synthetic and slow to degrade, meaning they persist in the environment for years, accumulating in the food chain and potentially harming wildlife and humans alike. Clearly, the traditional dyeing process, while effective, is simply not sustainable in the long run. It's time for a new approach, one that minimizes water usage and pollution, and that's where foam dyeing comes in. Imagine dyeing fabric with colorful foam, much like washing your hair with shampoo. This is the basic idea behind foam dyeing, a revolutionary technology that's transforming the textile industry. Instead of submerging fabrics in huge baths of water, foam dyeing uses a minimal amount of water mixed with dyes and a special ingredient, a foaming agent. This creates a frothy mixture that carries the dye onto the fabric. The foam, applied to the fabric, penetrates the fibers evenly, ensuring uniform color absorption. Once the dyeing process is complete, the foam is easily removed, leaving behind vibrantly colored fabric and significantly less wastewater compared to traditional methods. This reduced water usage is a game changer, especially in water-stressed regions. It lessens the burden on local water resources and minimizes the risk of water pollution. But the benefits of foam dyeing go beyond water savings. It's also a cleaner and more efficient way to color our clothes. Section 4. The Science of Bubbles. Understanding surfactants. The secret to foam dyeing lies in the fascinating world of surfactants. These clever compounds are the unsung heroes of many everyday products, from soaps and detergents to, yes, even textile dyes. So, what exactly are surfactants? Picture them as tiny matchmakers between water and other substances, like oil or, in this case, dye. Surfactants have a unique structure. One end is attracted to water, while the other end is attracted to substances that repel water. This dual nature allows them to reduce the surface tension of water, making it spread more easily and mix with substances it normally wouldn't. In foam dyeing, surfactants play a crucial role by creating stable foam and helping the dye molecules attach to the fabric fibers more effectively. They act as a bridge, bringing the dye and fabric together in a water-efficient and eco-friendly way. Without surfactants, foam dyeing wouldn't be possible. Their unique properties make them essential for reducing water consumption, improving dye uptake, and minimizing the environmental impact of textile dyeing. Section 5. A Sea of Benefits. Foam dyeing's environmental impact. Foam dyeing isn't just a technological advancement. It's a significant step towards a more sustainable textile industry. Its environmental benefits are numerous and far-reaching, making it a beacon of hope for a cleaner, greener future. The most obvious advantage is its dramatically reduced water consumption. By using foam instead of water baths, foam dyeing cuts down on water usage by a staggering 80% or more compared to traditional methods. This is a game changer for water-stressed regions, alleviating pressure on vital resources and promoting responsible water stewardship. But the benefits don't stop there. The reduced water usage also translates to less wastewater generation, minimizing the environmental burden associated with textile dyeing. This means fewer harmful chemicals and dyes are released into the environment, protecting aquatic ecosystems and safeguarding human health. Furthermore, foam dyeing requires less energy than traditional methods. The lower water volume means less energy is needed for heating and drying, reducing the overall carbon footprint of the dyeing process. This contributes to a cleaner, more sustainable textile industry that's gentler on our planet. Section 6. From Runway to Reality. Foam dyeing in action. While still relatively new, foam dyeing is rapidly gaining traction in the textile industry. Forward-thinking brands and manufacturers are embracing this innovative technology, incorporating it into their production processes to create beautiful, high-quality garments with a lower environmental impact. One notable example is sportswear giant Nike, which has been at the forefront of adopting sustainable textile technologies. Nike has incorporated foam dyeing into its manufacturing processes for various products, including shoes and apparel, significantly reducing its water and energy consumption. Another prominent adopter is IKEA, the global furniture and home furnishings retailer. Committed to sustainability, IKEA has implemented foam dyeing for its textile products, minimizing its environmental footprint and offering customers eco-friendlier choices. These are just a few examples of how foam dyeing is making its mark on the fashion industry. As awareness of its benefits grows, we can expect to see more brands and manufacturers embracing this game-changing technology, ushering in a new era of sustainable textile production. Section 7. The future of fabric towards sustainable textiles. Foam dyeing represents a significant leap forward in textile technology, but it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to creating a truly sustainable fashion industry. As we move forward, we can anticipate even more innovative solutions emerging, driven by a growing awareness of the environmental impact of our clothing choices. One promising area of development is the use of natural dyes derived from plants, fruits, and vegetables. These dyes offer a biodegradable and non-toxic alternative to synthetic dyes, further reducing the environmental footprint of textile production. Another exciting area of exploration is closed-loop dyeing systems, which aim to recycle and reuse water and dyes, minimizing waste and pollution. These systems represent a circular approach to textile manufacturing, where resources are used more efficiently and waste is minimized. Beyond dyeing, advancements in textile recycling technologies hold immense potential for creating a more sustainable fashion industry. By developing methods to effectively recycle and repurpose old garments, we can reduce textile waste and lessen the demand for virgin materials, further minimizing our environmental impact. The future of fashion is about making conscious choices, choosing garments made with sustainable materials and produced using eco-friendly technologies like foam dyeing. By supporting brands and manufacturers committed to sustainability, we can drive positive change in the industry and create a brighter, more stylish future for our planet and ourselves.